Actually, what's interesting, again, talking about some unique aspects of Leisure World in Seal Beach and what even some past history. I recall about 5 years or so ago, we were going through the whole El Nino thing, and I know prior to the El Nino, actually in anticipation of it, I actually sent out some letters to some of my Leisure World clients and so forth, and just said, hey, you might want to consider a flood policy. Actually, as things turns out, we did actually sell a number of flood policies. Some of them actually ended up there being some claims. There was several units over there that subsequently were flooded, so there was coverage provided. We can do a flood policy for you, so that's just something to consider. To be honest with you, we don't. Since then, probably a lot of those policies even canceled out. I don't. It's not something that people normally think about over there, but it certainly is a possibility. So we can provide that. And yeah, so anyway, that's pretty much my thoughts on flood. They're now talking about the whole tsunami or something that could be forthcoming. You never know what's around the corner, but if nothing else, be aware that we do have flood insurance that we can provide for your unit if you're interested. Now, as far as car insurance goes, we also had, during that whole El Nino experience, we had a number of policyholders that their cars were literally flooded, and the interiors ruined and whatnot. Various severity over there, but on that, your basic car policy under the comprehensive coverage does take care of something like a flood, so you don't really have to get anything additional there. If you have certainly have any kind of a respectable auto policy, certainly a State Farm policy, you don't have to worry about that.